Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can buy cars in GTA story mode. So right now, as you can see, I'm headed towards a garage, so let me show you on minimap as well. So you can see this is my garage, and first of all, what you are going to be doing to buy cars in story mode is that you're going to be searching for any garage. So the garage looks like something like this, and yeah, so this is garage. So you can simply purchase any garage. So the first step is to buy a garage to store your car. So let me just head over to my garage and show you. So right now I am headed towards my garage. As you can see, simply drive towards your garage. So I have marked that on minimap, and now I am driving right towards my garage. So you can see the view looks pretty amazing, and now we are almost there. Just wait for a couple of seconds and you will be able to see that we are now headed over to a garage. So you can simply purchase any garage that you want, or any amount you have or you want to pay for that particular garage and its location. So you can see it is somewhere here, and I'm going to be simply reaching out for that. You can see, yeah, so there it is. So here is a garage. So when we head over here, you can see it is saying press E to enter your garage. So right now we are headed over to our garage. Just wait for a couple of seconds. So here, as you can see, I have my car in here. So yeah, so you're going to be first of all purchasing a garage. So you can simply enter your car from here. You can see this is my special vehicle. So you can see I have just accessed my car from my garage, and now if you want to purchase some other car, let's say you have purchased the garage, if you head over to your garage there will be an option to purchase it. Let's say you this is my garage, but you didn't bought it at the first place. So if you were to be standing here, there will be an option to purchase it, and you can simply purchase it if you have the money to do so. The steps are pretty easy. So let's say you want to purchase a car now. So what you can do is simply press your middle mouse button or the scroll button, and now you'll be opened up with your phone, and you are going to be heading over to internet, and here you'll be able to see that we have a lot of options going on. So you're going to be simply heading over to travel and transport. So simply click on that, and you can see we have a lot of dealers in here. We are going to be selecting Elita. So yeah, so this one is specifically dealing for the air vehicles or the helicopter or planes. We are not going to be using that. We are simply going to be heading over to some other. You can see we have legendary motorsport. So you can see we have these amazing cars going on, so you can purchase any of these if you like. So let's just try to order something from here. So as you can see, this one is out of stock, and we can simply search for anything else. So let's say if we can purchase this particular car, so let's just order this in this particular color and click on order. So it is saying insufficient funds, so let's just try to order something else. Let's just head back and search for something really cheap because I'm currently out of money. So where is it? Yeah, we have this bike. Let's try to purchase this. Yeah, so it is bought. As you can see, I have 522 grand left, and yeah, so now it will be delivered to our vehicle garage, and you can see, let's just try to enter our garage and see if it is there or not. So right now, as you can see, the bike is here, and we can simply ride it. So that's how you can purchase your vehicle in story mode, and I really hope you enjoy the process.
The vibrations intensify.
So yeah guys,